If you haven't noticed, I've been wearing the same makeup, the same outfit, the same jewelry, the same set design every time I record a video to help assuage my decision fatigue. That's one of the things that I learned about adulting is that your attention span is only so big. Usually on a day-to-day basis, we're bombarded with decisions that we are forced to make. What outfit to wear, what route to take if we want to get somewhere. Most of it is so insignificant, but it still takes up some mental space that would have otherwise gone to something much more productive. So yes, it feels like a sacrifice initially, having only 12 pieces of clothing, but it gives me extra room and freedom to think of ideas, to think of more important things. Besides, it's not like people are going to notice. Trust me. People are too consumed with their own lives to care about what you're wearing and if you're repeating outfits. You're not a celebrity. Literally nobody cares about you, okay? Use that logic, apply it to every other aspect in your life. Try to think of ways to decrease, if not completely eliminate, the amount of decisions, unnecessary decisions that you have to waste your precious energy on, like cooking. Either outsource it, automate it, or remove the excess of choice. And trust me, you'll have so much focus, so much more discipline, and so much more energy to go after the major things in your life. You'll thank me later.